Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your trusted channel for premium automotive content, expert reviews, and detailed breakdowns of the most exciting vehicles on the road today. From luxury sedans to rugged SUVs, we cover everything with precision and passion. In this video, we take a closer look at the Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that continues to dominate its segment with a perfect mix of reliability, performance, and modern features. The Toyota RAV4 has earned its place as one of the most popular SUVs in the world, and for good reason. The latest model features a striking design that combines rugged character with urban sophistication. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, muscular lines, and pronounced wheel arches give it a commanding presence on the road. It also offers a choice of attractive alloy wheels and color combinations, including two-tone options that add to its visual appeal. Inside, the RAV4 impresses with a spacious and comfortable cabin designed for both everyday commutes and long-distance travel. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and practical design elements are found throughout the interior. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Depending on the variant, you can also enjoy features like leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, and a power-adjustable driver's seat with memory function. At the heart of the Toyota RAV4 is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, often paired with Toyota's hybrid electric system in the RAV4 hybrid variant. This setup delivers a balance of power and efficiency that appeals to a wide range of drivers. The hybrid version is especially efficient, offering excellent fuel economy without compromising on performance. The engine is mated to a CVT transmission that provides smooth and responsive acceleration, while available all-wheel drive enhances traction and control in challenging conditions. The RAV4 stands out with its advanced technology offerings. It features a large touchscreen infotainment system with support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making it easy to stay connected while on the move. Higher trims also come with premium audio systems, wireless charging, digital driver displays, and multiple USB ports for added convenience. The intuitive layout of the controls and high-resolution screen ensure that every feature is easy to access and use. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the RAV4 is no exception. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced driver assist features that include pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, and road sign recognition. Additional features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, a 360-degree camera, and multiple airbags further enhance the vehicle's safety profile. These features work together to provide a secure driving experience for both the driver and passengers. In terms of practicality, the RAV4 delivers on every front. The rear seats can be folded flat to expand the already generous cargo space, making it ideal for family trips, outdoor gear, or daily errands. A hands-free power liftgate in select variants adds to the convenience, especially when your hands are full. With its elevated ride height, the RAV4 also offers great visibility, making it easier to navigate city traffic or winding roads. Overall, the Toyota RAV4 is a well-rounded compact SUV that excels in design, comfort, technology, efficiency, and safety. It is an ideal choice for those who want a dependable vehicle that performs well in urban settings and can handle weekend getaways with ease. Whether you choose the standard or hybrid variant, the RAV4 delivers a smooth, refined, and enjoyable driving experience. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more car reviews and automotive content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SNAutoLuxury.